The Accounts Payable Invoice panel simplifies payment processing by offering seamless access to pending, approved, canceled, and rejected invoices, ensuring accurate and timely payments. Additionally, it provides a robust audit trail for compliance and efficient resolution of discrepancies. To access the Payment Voucher panel, navigate to the Procurement module and select Accounts Payable Payment Vouchers. You will be redirected to the Payment Vouchers panel. Please note, after creating a payment voucher and clicking on View Payment Voucher, this is the panel you will be redirected to. In the View section, users can filter payment vouchers by status, pending, approved, canceled, or rejected, and adjust the dates to access vouchers within a specific time frame. Then click on View. For extensive lists, the search bar enables quick selection of the required voucher. Once a payment voucher is selected, its details are displayed in the Payment Voucher Items window. Before approving by ticking at the end of the item row, it is crucial to review the voucher to ensure accuracy, prevent fraud, comply with regulations, and maintain financial transparency. This review step verifies that all payment details are correct and authorized. You can view payment voucher details by selecting the item and clicking View Payment Voucher in the right sidebar. The subsequent window allows for thorough review and provides options to share the voucher via email, download it in various formats, or print it directly from the browser. This offers flexibility and centralized access. After reviewing, close the current window and proceed to approve the voucher by ticking the tick icon at the end of the Payment Voucher item row. Approving a payment voucher item confirms its accuracy, authorization, and readiness for processing, ensuring proper financial recording and compliance with internal controls. Should you need to undo the approval, right-click on the item and select Undo Approval from the menu list. This action allows for corrections while maintaining compliance and preventing unauthorized payments. The system also permits the rejection of payment voucher items when payment details are incorrect or unauthorized. Rejected vouchers cannot be reapproved or resubmitted, effectively canceling the transaction and ensuring that only valid payments are processed. You may edit the amount based on your agreement with the supplier to approve and pay a specific amount, ensuring that the payment aligns with organizational policies or stays within budgetary limits, and for the remaining amount to be paid later. Once all items are confirmed and approved, finalize the process by approving the payment voucher through the right sidebar. This step consolidates approvals, ensures accountability, and maintains compliance with organizational controls. Additional actions in the right sidebar include rejecting or canceling payment vouchers or undoing approvals. Rejections can happen due to policy violations, while cancellations may arise from incorrect or unnecessary payments. Undoing an approval is useful for correcting errors, addressing policy violations, or managing budget constraints. These features help prevent inaccuracies, ensure compliance, and maintain control over financial transactions.